Hello, Namaskara, and this is Guru. Welcome to Belesiri channel. Today I'm going to take you to the tour of our Polyhouse. So I'm going to show you exactly how it looks like and what we are growing and how we are growing. Okay, and I'm not going in detail about Polyhouse, and I'm going to make another video about it. But right now, it's going to be the tour of our Polyhouse. For people hearing for the first time, polyhouse is something like a protected environment. For example, you're sleeping and you want to protect yourself from mosquitoes. What do? You're going to have a mosquito net. That's it. So you don't want to allow any insects inside and disturb you while you're sleeping. And you put fan so that you get a cool breeze, or you put a air conditioning. So it is just like that, you want to protect your plants from all the distractions. So you want them to just focus on growing. That's it. That is polyhouse or greenhouse. So we'll talk more about it later. We have built our polyhouse in around 1000 square feet area. The sides are covered with insect net and the top is covered with polyfilm. This is how it looks like from the top. This polyfilm protects plants from the rain. This is the entrance. Ideally, a polyhouse should have two entrances, and I'll tell you the importance of that in our next video. So this is how it looks like when you enter the polyhouse. This is our growing area. Here is the shade net and foggers. Foggers we use during the hot season. The combination of these two will control the temperature to some extent. You can see the big storage tank over there. We have used stone pellets for flooring. We have hybrid systems here. Now we have NFTs, and also we have grow bag systems and deep water culture in our polyhouse. So we keep changing the crops depending on the demand. This is palak, which is in the first stage. We have sticky traps which will attract the pests and kill them. These are amaranthus growing in grow bag using a solid medium called coco peat. You can also see chilies. This is a nursery where we raise the saplings. Here is a dustbin. These are tomatoes growing in grow bags. Here is basil and brahmi growing in deep water culture. Here are the storage tanks where we store the minerals. So we have built this polyhouse in around 1000 square feet of area. It is just a empty site which we have utilized. So you cannot start in 1 acre initially, right? You have to start small. So that's how I have started my journey, right? So that's where we conduct our workshops, and that is where we show people how things can be grown and this can be multiplied. So this is exactly the same model that can be used for commercial purpose in any scale. So this is also used to grow many things commercially, and we do sell vegetables. Hope this information was very helpful. Do subscribe to our channel for such free learnings. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in Belesiri Balaga. Bye bye.